If you get in a car accident and the other person doesn't have insurance, it doesn't mean that a claim can't be made. A lot of times when that scenario arises, we look to see if the other person was within the course and scope of their employment, maybe driving the car that's owned by someone else, or if they lived with someone else that has car insurance. In the worst case scenario, and there really is zero insurance, which does happen occasionally, we then look to your insurance to see if you have what's called uninsured motorist coverage. First and foremost, I always recommend every one of my clients after an accident, whether they have uninsured motorist or not, carry that coverage. If you do not have uninsured motorist and the other person has no insurance, unless they have some assets somewhere, they're basically uncollectible in the state of Florida. Most attorneys will not take such a case because it's a waste of time, quite frankly. Always make sure you carry uninsured motorist coverage, because if you do, that kicks in and covers the insurance that the other person should have had. So if there's no insurance on the other person's part, it doesn't mean we can't recover. It just means we're gonna need you to have uninsured motorist to make a claim. If you do not have car insurance and the other person does, we still can make a claim. Oftentimes, I'd rather have my client have no insurance with insurance on the other end than vice versa. Many people's coverages do not come nearly close enough to be able to cover what their damages are. So I'd rather have a scenario where you don't have insurance and the other party does. Although it may be longer to get your vehicle fixed and that your medical bills may not be paid right away, we are usually able to recover money like that. And sometimes it actually makes the claims process simpler if the other party has insurance and you don't. Most importantly, make sure yourself that you are always covered for insurance. Make sure you carry uninsured motorist that matches your liability. So if you have $25,000 in bodily injury coverage in case you hit someone, make sure you have $25,000 in uninsured motorist to protect you in case the person that hits you does not have that.